Welcome to Benito Juárez International Airport of Mexico City. For your information, local time is 11 minutes past 6.
After more than 24 hours in the air, I've finally arrived in Mexico City. It still feels a little unreal. This isn't just another city stop. This is the beginning of a 2.5-month journey across Central America. New countries, new cultures, and a part of the world I've never experienced before. Right now, everything feels unfamiliar. The language, the pace, the rhythm of the streets. But that's part of the excitement. There's always this quiet moment at the start of a long trip, where anticipation and uncertainty sit side by side. And somehow, that's when the journey truly begins. For now, I just need to rest and repay a bit of that sleep debt, here in this cozy corner of historic Mexico City. See you in the next video.